Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best drop shipping apps for Shopify. Use this right now to boost sales. So before we get started, I want to offer you an exclusive opportunity to kickstart your drop shipping journey. If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, use my special link in the description below to sign up for Shopify. This link gives you access to a free trial along with additional benefits to help you get started. Don't miss on this chance to create a profitable online store with all the right tools. Click the link below, and now let's get started. Alright, so number 1 is the best currency converter, as you can see right here. So a custom currency converter is an overlooked gem that can significantly boost your conversions. If you target the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, you need to understand that each country has different currencies. For example, if a customer from the UK visits your store and only sees the price in USD, they are likely to leave. Simplifying their buying process with a currency converter like Best Currency Converter ensures that they know exactly what they're spending, making them more likely to purchase. And once installed, this app will automatically convert the prices to the customer's local currency. This small tweak can dramatically increase your conversion rates by making international customers feel more at home on your site. And as you can see right here, this is the UI on how you can use the app right here. You can already see the currencies right here. So you can add currencies, add all currencies, remove all currencies, and so on. It's that simple. It's very direct, easy, and a simple app. And you can see no theme. This is basically the widget that will be used in your store if you'd like this tile right here, or you can also do this theme right here, or no theme, which is this one right here, depending on the kind of widget that is suited to your style. And as you can see right here as an example, this is how it would look like. And yeah, so now let's just go back, and then as you can see, this app offers a free plan, so you would have to use this in a way that you don't have to spend any money, but of course the functions may be limited. And this is the UI of the app right here. You can customize the design, the colors, the price configuration right here. You can also do that. You can customize that, and then you have the extra features, which is the checkout currency notification, show original price on hover, and hide currency converter. And now when you go back here, you can see the pricing, which we have the free plan available for you and the elite plan for $9.95 per month. And then you can also see the high ratings and reviews of this app right here. So now number 2 on the list is Shopify volume discounts. So you don't need to limit your customers to buying just one product. Increasing your average order value, or AOV, is crucial. The Shopify volume discounts app incentivizes customers to buy more by offering discounts for larger quantities. For instance, if your product is $24.99, you can offer 2 for $32.99. And you can offer 3 for $41.99, and so on. This app alone can significantly boost your revenue without extra effort. And as you can see right here, this is basically how you set it up. This is their UI. It's very simple. As you can see, you can choose the volume discount table type right here. You can go for grid range, detail, default, and grid range alternative, and then you can see how it works right here. So for a minimum quantity of 5 and a maximum of 9, they would get 10% off. Once they reach 10, they would get 22% off, and then basically you can just modify how much discount they're gonna get, and so on. And you can go here, as you can see, minimum quantity and discount right here. You can go for a certain amount of money or a percentage type. And then the next thing right here, this is basically how it would look like right here. As you can see, they would get discount right here. And from here, you can see that this is pricing from $7.99 per month with a free trial available. And you can see their high rating right here with over 3,000 reviews, which is a really good one, which means this already has a reputation. And you can see more detailed pricing below right here. So you have the basic, professional, advanced, and the plus plan right here. And you can see the reviews here of Shopify. So number 3 is Judge.me product reviews app. So strong reviews are essential for convincing customers to buy. Use a reviews app like Judge.me product reviews to import or create in-depth reviews that highlight the benefits and features of your product. This helps build trust and persuade customers to make a purchase. Includes images and detailed paragraphs in your reviews to make them more convincing. For example, if you're selling a bro stamp, find reviews that highlights its ease of use and long-lasting effects. Include these reviews on your product page to reassure potential buyers that your product solves their problems. And here you can see its main features. So the first one is it can collect reviews on autopilot right here. So you can schedule unlimited review requests to collect more verified reviews right here. All you have to do is just provide the product link, and then Judge.me would be able to collect reviews from it according to your settings. And then the next one is we have your display reviews on your site in different ways. So depending on your style, the design, color palette of your website, Judge.me can adapt into it. And then the next one is you can upload photos, videos, and YouTube URL. You can go for social proof right here, so that it would be more trustworthy or more credible for the viewers or readers. And then you can also share it on social media. And then you can search for the SEO rich snippets right here so that you can stand out from the search results right here, as you can see right here in the Google search. And you can also engage with your viewers right here. And yeah, that is basically on the main features of Judge.me. And when you scroll down, you would be able to see the pricing. You have the free plan available and the $15 per month for their paid plan. And then as you can see right here, it has a 5-star rating flat. So this is a really good app right here. It already has a reputation considering it has 30,000 reviews already here in Shopify app. So I recommend that you get this one because every successful store has been using this to get their reviews worked out. And now for number 4, we have Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. To ensure that you don't miss out on potential sales, use Klaviyo for email and SMS marketing. This app helps you retarget customers who have shown interest but haven't purchased it, as well as those who have already bought from you. Sending marketing messages with special deals can entice customers to return and complete their purchases or buy more products. For instance, if a customer left items in their cart, send them a message saying, "Hey customer, we noticed you left something behind. Get an extra 10% off if you complete your purchase today. Use code SAVE10 at checkout." That is just an example of what you can do with Klaviyo so that you can pull those customers back. And right here, as you can see, it says here that you can use data you didn't know you had. So with this one, it simply means that Klaviyo integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store, ultimately pulling in valuable customer data such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and more. This enables you to understand your customers on a deeper level and tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs and preferences. Another thing is that you can also build real-time segmentation of any piece of customer data. So with Klaviyo, you can create highly targeted customer segments based on real-time data, whether it's their past purchases, website interactions, or even their geographic location. You can ensure that each marketing message is relevant and personalized. This leads to a higher engagement rates and better conversions. So the next one is no need to start from scratch. We have templates. So Klaviyo offers a wide range of pre-built templates for SMS and email campaigns. These templates are designed to save you time and effort while ensuring that your communications look professional and effective. You can easily customize them to match your brand's voice and style, making the setup process quick and straightforward. And the next one is simplify your discount strategy. So creating and managing discounts is easy with Klaviyo. You can set up automated discount campaigns that target specific customer segments such as new subscribers or loyal customers. This not only helps you in increasing sales, but also enhances customer loyalty by rewarding repeat purchases. And lastly is you can go beyond clicks and opens. So Klaviyo's advanced analytics go beyond basic metrics like clicks and opens because you can track the actual revenue generated from your email and SMS campaigns, providing a clear picture of your marketing ROI. This helps you understand which strategies are most effective and allows you to continuously optimize your effort. And now let's see the pricing of Klaviyo. So when we scroll down, we should be seeing the pricing right here. So you have the free plan available and you have the SMS plan and the email plan right here. So $15 for SMS and $20 for email. And you have a rating of 4.6 here in Klaviyo with 2,493 reviews. And now lastly is we have the Tractor order tracking. So with this one, customer satisfaction is key. Providing order tracking is a big part of that. Use an app like Tractor to allow customers to easily track their orders. This reduces customer support inquiries and builds trust as customers feel more secure about knowing the status of their order. By doing this, the customers can simply enter their order number and email to get real-time updates on their shipment. This transparency reduces anxiety and increases trust in your brand. And as you can see right here, this is how it would look like on Tractor. And you can see the statistics and so on. So you can see the status of the order right here. As you can see, it says status delivered, and you can see their tracking of their timestamps right here on October 4 and so on right here. And yeah, so with Tractor you can easily achieve that, and you can see the pricing of Tractor here. When you go down, you can see that it has a free plan available for you, and it has a starter essential plan and advanced plan starting at $8.99. And you can already see here that you have a 4.8 rating on Tractor, and then you can see the reviews right here. Alright, so now those are the apps that are game changers for your dropshipping store. Implement them to enhance the customer journey, increasing your average order value, building trust with strong reviews, and retargeting customers effectively, and provide seamless order tracking. Your sales are bound to skyrocket with these apps right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.